And here about the Z-axis, the branches Z-axis. The original stopper is here, and I make a new one and added this feature here, this portion, and you can see the comparison between them. This stopper is mounted on the frame by these two screws, and this adjusting screw is for tuning the perpendicularities or position of this linear actuator. Turn this screw, you make it move this side, and here is another stopper. And now I'm going to concentrate on this bridge or the movement of this y-axis, and the leveling of this frame. If it is parallel with the table, I need some adjustment. This is all bridge will rise up by this air spring, and it now hit. I think it stopped now and it hit something. I don't know, maybe. And anyways, it was hit in the rear by there is another rail in the rear, at the rear side. Anyways, I need to make a stopper to press on here, so I add the new features in here. This will be replaced by this one. This is aluminum pieces. I machined it on my current router machine. And here is the adjustment screw, and the tip of this screw will touch on this surface, so I can adjust this screw to make this a little bit downward or upward. Here on this side I already installed it here. You can see I can move this screw, of course using the hex. Hex tools. Then the bridge on this side can be lower or move up little by little, and I will check the bridge frame if it is parallel with this table. Of course, it don't need very precise. It's just a rough parallel. It's okay. And in the next step, I will tune this linear actuator